This video walks you through how to add a bonus payment in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This opens the area where employee records are listed, so you can choose the person who will receive the bonus payment. From the People section, select the employee you want to update. Make sure you open the correct employee profile before moving forward, especially if you manage payroll for more than one person with similar names or job details. When the employee profile opens, find the Pay section and open it. In the Pay section, scroll down until you see Additional Earnings. This is where extra compensation items can be added to the employee record. When you find that area, click Add to begin creating a new earnings entry. After the Add window or form opens, select Bonus as the earning type. This tells Gusto that the payment you are entering should be categorized as a bonus rather than another type of earning. Be sure that bonus is selected before you continue to the amount field and the rest of the form. Next, enter the bonus amount, then complete any other required details shown on the screen. The exact fields can vary depending on the payroll setup in your account, so look over the form carefully and fill in each required item before moving on. If a field is marked as required, it needs to be completed before the bonus can be saved. Once the amount and any additional details have been entered, review the bonus payment information. Take a moment to confirm that the employee is correct, the earning type is set to bonus, and the payment amount matches what you intend to add. This review step helps prevent the bonus from being assigned incorrectly or saved with the wrong value. When everything looks correct, click Save. Gusto will then add the bonus payment to that employee's record. If the page takes a moment to update, wait for it to finish loading so you can confirm the entry has been added. At this point, the bonus payment should appear under the employee's additional earnings information. If needed, you can remain in the employee profile to verify that the saved bonus is listed the way you expect. The main part of the process is complete once the save action goes through and the bonus appears in the employee's pay details. You have now added a bonus payment in Gusto.